Hey, good morning, it's Monday, September 30th. Got a beautiful sunrise. Getting ready to head out. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's get ready to rock and roll. Yeah, a parking lot full of trucks. We're with the lineman. Now that the grounds are installed on this side, this one's good, but we still need another set of grounds back over there. All right, so now we've got that other set of grounds up over there. So we are officially boxed in and ready to work. All right, we got both these jobs done. That's out of the line. That's off of the wires as well. Job well done. This is the second job of the day. We got a tree down there that's on the service wire, so we're gonna try to clear it off from here. Gotta be careful to not sink my outrigger in. All right, so this is what we got going on. We got this service wire that's being pinched by that tree there. I'm gonna cut the top off and hopefully that should free the wire. All right, so we got the wire cleared off. Cut that piece off of the tree, nothing too dramatic. We got that one done. And now we're on standby. All right, this is the next job. It's off the side of the road. So we've got this, so I figured out it's actually a live oak. And as you can see, it's bending the line out of place. So I'm gonna be setting a pulley system up there, anchoring it down there with the rope puller attached to the truck. Then we're gonna pull it back upwards to lift it off of the line. Then we'll start chunking it out. Look at this massive live oak. Isn't that beautiful? Whoa. So these are called epiphytes. They grow on trees, but we don't have those back home in Pittsburgh. But it's really interesting to see them. All right, we're set up here. We're gonna take this one out. We've got the lines grounded out. We're set on the road. Let's get to work. All right, getting set up here. We got some goats back over there. It's pretty cool. All right, just got done clearing this off the line. Real quick down here. Cool little lizard. All right, we got that one cleared off and on to the next one. Man, it is hot. It's like probably like 90 degrees. We get ready to rock and roll with this one here. We've got the line guys down there. We're gonna boom out this way and get it done. All right, we've got this one done. This is tonight's dinner and cheesecake.